Welcome back guys to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to show the invite collaborator on Instagram. So go first to your profile and click these three lines on the upper right corner and then go to settings. And then you make sure that your account first is in business account. But if you're not yet in a business account, go to account and then you will see here convert to business account. So after converting your profile into a business account, just go back to settings and go to privacy and make sure that your account is not private. So as you can see here, it is turned off. So now you go back to your profile and upload a photo. So you will see here, for example, when I tag people, invite collaborator will show up. And that's it. That's how you invite collaborator on Instagram. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do like this video and subscribe to this channel.